Right, good morning everyone on YouTube. Welcome this morning. We're in Falkirk, we're up the Braes as they call it. So what I've decided to do is give back a bit to the community here in our local church. And I'm running a free training course for, it says up on the board, car maintenance course. So I'm trying to inspire the good people up here in the church to get stuck in about cars. So the one that inspired me the most, I would say, is this man up here on the board. Most of you will recognise him, Paul Danner, Scanner Danner, on YouTube. Brilliant guy, and there's others out there that have helped me, so thank you very much. So we've got about, how many here this morning? Look at everybody, give us a cheer. Yay! So we're just trying to learn bits and pieces to save yourself a few bob, as we say here in Scotland, and that's to save some money. So anyway, it's a free training course, and we'll see how this goes. Are you enjoying it, everybody, or is your head boggled? Fantastic. Anyway, have a nice Saturday. Bye-bye.